Here we go. I started by taking it apart. And cleaning it by steel-wooling everything. It was dirt. I then flattened the sole with some 320 grit and 400 grit sandpaper. And sanded the blade with the same sandpaper. I did more sanding and flattening with the adjustment thingies. I found out the Monolita Whitlano number 3. And it's probably garbage. The handle is out of plastic. That thing is out of plastic. I don't know if it's really worth saving, but I was bored. And I needed an extra hand plane on hand. By the way, this is the first time I've ever done this, so you know. It's probably gonna be perfect. I then sharpened the edge with my combination Waterstone. And then wiped everything down with WD-40 for some reason. It cleaned it up nice though. Perfect. I then reassembled it back together. Ta-da! It's almost like new. Not really. Let's try it out. Here we go. That's terrible. After some adjusting I was able to get some decent shavings. Thanks for watching.